Okay, kiddos, so here we have a geoboard and a bunch of different colored rubber bands. In order to use this, you click on a rubber band, hold the button down, and then drag it to where you want it. And then if you want to move it, you just click and drag. Click and drag. When you get the red X, you can't leave it there. It always has to go to a peg. Okay? And then when you want to get rid of it, oops, sorry, you put the trash can. Okay, so if I want to make perpendicular lines, I'm going to grab a color. Perpendicular. I'm going to take a red one. Perpendicular, oh, I guess it just changed the color. Now, click and drag. There's an example of perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines look like a cross or like a X kind of on its side or like a plus sign. And they always have a 90-degree angle in them. Okay? All right. If we want to make intersecting lines, think about an intersection when your parents are driving. Here I'm going to start off with intersecting lines. Intersecting lines cross at some point. They don't have 90-degree angles. I mean, that could be intersecting. This could be intersecting. They just don't have those 90-degree angles. Oops. And the last one we want to talk about are parallel lines. So, parallel lines are kind of like the sides of a road. Parallel lines never, ever cross. So if I kept these going as far as I could, the green and the blue would never touch. They never intersect. They never cross. So think about a set of railroad tracks where they never touch, or like the sides of a road, the white lines on the road, they never touch. You're going to use this geoboard to complete a few problems.